Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations, exercise number 3, question number 8. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So very simple and interesting question. So a train is there, it is traveling 360 kilometers. So the distance of the train is traveling is nothing but 360 kilometers. So the distance train was traveling is nothing but 360 kilometers. So he was saying that it was traveling at a uniform speed. Let the speed of this train be is nothing but x kilometer per hour. So the train was moving at a speed of x kilometer per hour. And he was saying that if the speed is increased 5 kilometers per hour, so increased speed of train is nothing but x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Then he was asking to find the speed of the train. So now we have to find the speed of the train. We have to find speed of the train. Speed of train. So that is nothing but x is equal to how much? So from this information, we are going to find the speed of the train. So solution, we know that speed is nothing but distance by time. Okay, if the train is moving at a speed of x kilometer per hour, how much time it is going to take? First we will find. So time is nothing but distance by speed. So here distance is 360 kilometers. Speed of the train is nothing but x kilometer per hour. This is first situation. When a train is moving at a speed of x kilometer per hour, the time taken is nothing but t1 is equal to 360 by x. So now the speed is increased. So what is the time taken? T2, distance by speed. So distance is same but speed has increased, x plus 5. So this is condition number 2. So now he was saying that if the speed is increased by 5 kilometer per hour, the time taking was less. Okay, for example, if we are going at a speed of x kilometer per hour, we are taking 10 hours to reach our destination. Okay, if we increase the speed, we are taking only 9 hours to reach our destination. So that is nothing but the difference of times t1 minus t2 is equal to 1 hour. Okay, so now we will use this situation and we will find out the speed of the train. So t1, the time taken to travel a distance of 360 kilometer at a speed of x is nothing but 360 by x. So second is nothing but 360 by x plus 5. that is equal to 1. Now just to simplify, okay, here you can take 360 common. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5, that is equal to 1. Okay, now 360 cross multiplication. 1 into x plus 5 is nothing but x plus 5. 1 into x minus 1 into x is nothing but x. See in the denominator, x into x plus 5. So that is equal to, so here you send this 360 to right side. So it is in multiplication, it goes to division. Minus x plus x is going to cancel. So we left with 5 by x into x plus 5 is nothing but x into x is x square. 5 into x is nothing but 5x. That is equal to 1 by 360. Now we do cross multiplication. X square plus 5x is equal to 5 into 360. Okay, what is that 5 into 360? 360 into 5 you find here. Now here 5 into 0 is nothing but 0. 5 6 are 30, 3 here, 0 here. 5 3 is 15 plus 3 is nothing but 18. So 1800 I am getting. That is equal to 1800. So now we bring this 1800 to left side. X square plus 5x minus 1800, that is equal to 0. So it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we can apply our quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula we have. So now we substitute the values. Minus b minus 5 plus or minus b square is nothing but here 5 square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into c is nothing but minus 1800 by 2a, 2 into 1 minus 5 plus or minus, so here 5 square is 25, minus into minus is plus 1800 into 4, 0 0 8 4 so 32. So 4 into 1 is nothing but 4, 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7, 7200 by 2. Minus 5 plus or minus 25 plus 7200, 7225 by 2. Minus 5 plus or minus 7225. So here we can write this. $85 square by 2. So minus 5 plus or minus under root 85 square. Square and root gets cancelled. You will get 85 by 2. One time you take x is equal to plus 85. Another time you take minus 85. Okay. X is equal to minus 5 plus 85 is nothing but 80 by 2 240 times it is going to cancel. Therefore, the speed of the train is nothing but 40 kilometer per hour. So here you see this is minus 90 by 2. So I am getting minus 45 kilometer per hour. Speed, it should not be negative. So don't consider this value. Just you take 40 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of train is nothing but is equal to x is equal to 40 kilometer per hour.